Hi, and welcome to the Telligen QI Connect Bite-Sized Learning, Leveraging Process Mapping. This short video will cover process mapping and how it supports quality improvement efforts. To effectively leverage process mapping, we must first define it. Process mapping is the act of creating a visual representation of processes using standardized shapes for different elements, such as rectangles for process steps, diamonds for decision points, arrows for flow direction, and circles to indicate starting and ending points. The end product is known as a process map, flowchart, or workflow diagram. Healthcare is complex, so process mapping is especially important for quality improvement efforts in hospitals, nursing homes, and other healthcare settings. Process maps can be particularly helpful in fostering shared understanding of a process's current state and ideal future state. Having a shared understanding of the current process helps teams identify steps in the process that do not add value, lead to breakdowns in communication, or cause additional work, duplication of efforts, or unnecessary expense. Process mapping also helps teams compare the perceived understanding of processes to the actual steps required to execute tasks, often revealing discrepancies and improvement opportunities. Here are some steps to get started with process mapping. First, get the right people in the room, those who know the process best. Start by defining the first and last steps in the process so that everyone has a shared understanding of where the process you're working on begins and ends. Use standardized shapes. Fill in all the steps in the existing process as a group. Start by mapping the process as it actually works, not as it should work. When the current process map is complete and accurate, analyze it with your team and look for improvement opportunities to increase clarity and efficiency. Adjust the process steps as needed and review. Once you have your ideal future state mapped out, test it and evaluate progress as part of your continuous quality improvement efforts. We hope you enjoyed this bite-sized learning. Through Telligen QI Connect, Telligen partners with healthcare providers, nursing homes, hospitals, community organizations, and patients and families to improve the quality of healthcare services with interventions that are local, customized, and aligned with evidence-based practices. Join us and receive Telligen's enhanced technical assistance and valuable resources to increase your organization's capacity for quality improvement.